Hello and welcome back to Children's Reading Cove. Today we are going to learn about the letter S. It makes a long, skinny sound just like this. S. Can you think of anything that begins with the S sound? Oh, yes, right there. There it is. It's a spider. Very good. Now let's learn about the S sound. And maybe after this, you can do a little treasure hunt to see if you can find any toys or objects around your home that have the S sound in them. Let's get ready to read. If you want to, you can read along with me too. I love that. Ooh, spider. I sit. I sit in the sun. I sit in the sun and spin. I spin as the sun sets. I sit and rest. The sun has set. Hello, spider swinging in the breeze. Thank you so much for reading along on Children's Reading Cove. Now go see what kinds of things you can find in your home that have the S long, skinny sound in them. We'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.